Charged with doing the unthinkable to her hospitalized son talks with Local 12. Good evening, everybody. A West Virginia woman was allowed to return to her home even though the prosecutor wanted her held in jail on $1 million bond.
Candida Flutie is charged with 2 counts of endangering children and 2 counts of felonious assault for allegedly putting feces into her sick son's IV at Children's Hospital. Local 12's Rich Jaffe joins us now from the Hamilton County Courthouse with a look at some of the evidence that will be used against her. Rich.
Cammie, at this point, no one's officially talking about what may have motivated Flutie to do what she allegedly did. But today we got a look at some of what prosecutors are going to use to make their case against her. Candida Flutie stood quietly next to her attorney as prosecutor Ann Flanagan showed the magistrate a small portion of the bizarre and mounting case against her.
I have a couple photos that address the facts. As you know, that she is accused of injecting stool or matter from stool into the child's IV line, and we have confirmation of that through the lab reports.
2 of those photos taken in January seem to show Flutie injecting something into her sleeping son's IV line at Children's Hospital. The other photo shows the spent syringe with what prosecutors say is fecal matter still inside. Flutie's 9-year-old son has been in and out of Children's Hospital for the last year, being treated for a congenital problem with his intestines. Prosecutors wanted her bond raised to $1 million, but her attorney argued she's not running away from anything.
She is here this morning. She will continue to appear. She has nowhere to run.
After agreeing to keep the bond at $50,000, Magistrate Mike Bachman made sure Flutie understood the potential consequences of not keeping up her end of the deal.
Who put the bond money up for the Boston?
My dad.
Dad? I'd like to tell your dad you're responsible for him paying $50,000.
I didn't even do that.
All right.
Flutie left the courtroom under orders to stay away from all children. In the hallway, I talked with her about the charges.
Were you trying to help your son?
I can't really comment a lot at this time, but I would do anything for any of my children, no matter what, anything that I could do for them.
How tough is it for you to be separated from them all now?
It's hard, but I'll do whatever I have to do for them.
Now, the 9-year-old involved in this case, as well as 3 of Flutie's other children, are all in the custody of her, well, they're staying with her sister in West Virginia. They are in the legal custody of West Virginia Children's Services. At the Hamilton County Courthouse, Rich Jaffe, Local 12 News. Cammie?
All right, Rich, thank you. Candida Flutie is in court again on February 18th. Local 12 News will be there for you.